At Charles Kendall, we've developed an award-winning product logistics service to help you access new, lucrative export markets.
We have two key reworking facilities serving clients globally, one in Southampton and the other in Dubai.
Our product logistics service covers all your supply chain requirements, from international shipping to essential repackaging and relabeling work, as well as warehousing and retail distribution.
As an experienced international freight forwarder, the full supply chain services of air and ocean freight, trucking and customs clearance are naturally at your fingertips.
From fast-moving consumer goods to higher-value luxury items, we have years of experience in a wide range of product categories.
Don't believe us? Our Southampton site won the BFIR Specialist Services Award on its opening year, and both sites hold ISO accreditations.
We understand that the value and integrity of a brand is paramount to our clients, so we've adopted principles of quality, integrity and commitment.
Contact our helpful team of professionals at www.charleskendall.com/product logistics.
Charles Kendall is a name you can trust.